mane en jatend piny Kenya pachoka Uhuru Kenyatta opuoyo mbalariany ma Kabarak kaluwore gi chenro ma gintiere godo ma tiyo kod teko chieng' komedo ni mano en achiel kuom chenro ma jiwo tiyo kod yore mopogore mag yudo teko stima. Koloso e kinde nyasi ma sidho kondo jopuonjre 2,390 e mbalariany ma Kabarak no, jatend piny machon no nojiwo rowere ma pachoka ma tiyo kod lony margi manyasani ma chwalo dongruok e pachoka. Uhuru bende okwayo oganda ma pachoka mondo obed motang' e apei.
But climate change and all of these things are major factors. We can see Kabarak University taking a lead in showing how to conserve, use what God has given us in plenty, and turn that into power and energy to power not just this university, but to power industry, to power innovation, IT, and when we look at AI especially. All these are technologies that are going to completely revolutionize how we do, how we work, how we move, how we think.
2026, it gives me great pleasure to announce that we will commission the first phase at a key campus providing reliable, clean power for uninterrupted learning, discovery, and innovative impact. This reinforces our leadership ambitions in Africa in sustainable education as a pioneer of this nature in sub-Saharan Africa.